Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 29, NEET Physics paper 2014. Student, the question is as follows. Following figures show the arrangement of bar magnets in different configurations. Each magnet has magnetic dipole moment M. Which configuration has highest net magnetic dipole moment? Each bar magnet has dipole moment M. We are interested in M net, resultant or net magnetic dipole moment, M net. We have got 4 situations and where to find the maximum value of M net in whichever configuration provides. Now, the direction of the dipole moment is always from south pole to north pole inside the magnet. If I see the situation number 1, this one, figure 1, here in figure 1, this is the situation that this is my S, this is my N, and this is my S and this is my N. So this way it is kept. So the dipole moment will be from south to north, this direction for this magnet and this direction for this magnet, and each is having a dipole moment M because identical magnets. We are actually going to find the net value of these two vectors. M net is M1 square plus M2 square plus 2 M1 M2 cos of theta and the under root. Now the situation here is 90, so and M and M are same, so I will write for this situation M net equals to M square plus M square plus 0, because this is 90, cos 90 is 0, so it is root 2 of M. This is the situation. You can also find for this, but there is a better way to solve. But let me just tell you how this is done and I'll give the shortcut method. This is the situation. This is for figure A. For figure B, we have NS and SN arranged oppositely, and for B, figure B, we have NS and the other magnet kept below is NS. For this is the direction of M, and for this magnet this is the direction of M. These two are oppositely directed, so M net equals to 0 because the angle is 180. If angle is 180, we have M square plus 2 M1 M2, that is M square cos of 180 and under root. This is 2m square and cos 180 is minus 1, so this minus 2m square under root, so this becomes 0. For figure number C, we have this is the magnet and another magnet is at an angle of 30 degree, and the direction, this is north pole, this is north pole, so therefore this is the direction of m, 2m, and angle is 30. So m net is m square plus 2m square cos of 30. Similarly, for D, the angle is 60. The same situation, and the angle is now 60. This is n, this is n. What is the change here? There is nothing changed, only the angle. So m net equals to m square 2m square cos of 60. So basically it is the same formula that is used for different angles, 90, 180, 30, 60. It says in which case the dipole moment, this one is maximum. So to do that we have to if you calculate that you will get the answer, but I will just help you find one simple way to do that m net equals to m1 square m2 square 2 m1 m2 cos of theta. Now you must remember one thing, that these are identical values, no problem with that. If you want to little bit simplify that, do that. But basically this becomes maximum when this expression becomes maximum. We cannot change these values, only theta is changing between the magnets. Between the magnets, what we are doing? We are only changing the angles and nothing else. So this is one variable. What value of theta or what value of this, if this becomes maximum, then only this is the case. When this is maximum, then only this expression will become maximum, and the maximum value of cos theta, as you see the graph of the nature of the curve for cos is like this. As the theta increases, the cos theta value decreases. So when cos is 0, the cos theta value is maximum. So at lowest value, this is maximum. As theta increases, cos theta decreases. So as theta increases, cos theta decreases, and in this case we have got 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 180 degree. So for maximum value, this would be maximum and this would be minimum. For this to be minimum, when theta is less and less, the cos theta is maximum. Least angle you have to find for. The least angle is from here to here, this is 90. This is 0. 0 here it is maximum. 0 is not given on the options. 0, then we'll have 30, then we'll have 60, then we'll have 90, and also we have got 180 part is this one, because they are vector. So the maximum is that when this one is there, that is 30. So this here at this angle it is maximum, because at 60 it will come down to this value, and 90 it becomes 0. 90 it becomes a certain value. The cos 90 is 0, so that also gives another value. So for this to be maximum, theta has to be minimum, and in this expression 30 degree is minimum. So therefore that is the answer to this question. That is 30 is this one. C1 is correct answer. The maximum highest each one which confers the highest value, and 30 degree is the highest value, that is C is having the highest value, and C is here, so option number 3 is correct. Okay, thank you.